the action flicks and histories in my low-budget video store. There is an 18 over section film collection that's all marked mature. Let's take one home to watch alone where we won't be disturbed. It's a XXX selection called The Dirty Bird, and it promises perversions all turned up a notch. Finally, we've got our chance, let's drop our pants and watch. First scene, a foggy Friday Eve, a sailor sees a neon sign is on. So C6 Steve the pirate slips into the cheap massage salon, where a parrot offers service if you're nervous or tense. Next comes a narrative of sexy and perverted events. The parrot strips and grinds its hips against his peg leg pole, and Steve receives some charities from through a glory hole. And the next erotic scene occurs between the parrot and a nerd. It starts slyly making passes, and without glasses she can't see it's a bird. Till she gets a sexy sample of its feathery touch. Then things get knocked around and trampled, they make out so much. And it swings her with its wings into its hot gloved nest. And for a snack it eats a cracker off her big pierced breast. And then some boring dialogue, I guess we'd better just fast forward. Just fast forward. Just fast forward. Till we see an orgy scene, the likes of which has never been explored. The nerd observes a hot fried mermaid fish and chips 69. Then comes the pirate and the parrot, and it's 5 at a time. There's a barely legal seagull who's unbearably hot, and then a huge sperm whale pulls out to spout a big money shot. And that's the final sequence, and we're now disgusted with ourselves. So until the urge returns, we better hide this back behind the shelves. Low budget films after dark. We'll be off the air until